In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero bills, how to send a remittance advice to suppliers. 5 minutes. A remittance advice is a simple confirmation you send to a supplier to show which bills you've paid and how the payment was applied. It helps suppliers match your payment to their invoices and reduces back and forth queries. Let's walk through the exact process in Xero. Start by opening Xero in your browser. Click Login, enter your login details, and select Login to continue. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard for your organization. If you work with multiple organizations, make sure you're viewing the correct one before proceeding. From the top navigation, go to Business, then choose Bills to Pay. This is your central place for managing accounts payable. Because remittance advices relate to completed payments, switch to the Paid tab. This shows bills that have already been settled. Pick the bill you want to reference in your remittance. On the bill, look for the Less Payment link. Clicking this opens the payment transaction that was used to settle the bill. This is important. Remittance advices are sent from the payment record, not from the bill itself, so you're in the right place. In the payment screen, open the options menu, then select Send Remittance. A sending window will appear. Enter the supplier's email address. If the contact already has an email saved in Xero, it should populate automatically, but you can update it here if needed. Double check the address for accuracy to avoid delivery issues. Next, edit the email content. Keep it clear and professional. You can add a short note like the payment date, bank reference, or a thank you message. The remittance PDF will list the bills included in the payment so the supplier can reconcile quickly. If the payment covers multiple bills, the remittance will summarize all of them, which is a great way to avoid confusion. If you'd like a record in your inbox, tick send me a copy. This is handy for your own audit trail and for confirming it was sent. When everything looks good, click send. Xero will email the remittance directly to your supplier and, if selected, send you a copy as well. If you can't see the payment or the less payment link, confirm the bill is marked as paid and that you have the right user permissions. Also ensure the supplier contact is set up correctly with an email address. That's it. Quick, accurate, and professional.